So guys, this time we'll see how you can clean unwanted characters on the right of the string. In a previous video, we have seen how we can clean unwanted characters from the left of the string. Now, what rstrip does is, it is the same as lstrip, but it does cleans the unwanted characters from the right of the string. Yeah, so it will remove all the specified characters in a string from the right. So that is from the ending. Yeah, lstrip did it from the beginning. Rstrip will do it from the ending. So that means the method removes all combination of a specified characters trailing the string until a different character is found. So else rstrip is a counter method of lstrip that you need to understand. Yeah. Now, if the specified character to be removed are not mentioned again, Python strip string rstrip method will remove the trailing spaces if there are any. Same as we saw for lstrip. Now let's see the syntax. Let me make it bold. You have this. So we have the same syntax as we had for left strip. Only letter that will change is instead of L, we'll write R, which will mention that it is R strip. Yes. And again, characters definition remains the same where you have to specify the character that needs to be trimmed from the right. Okay. So let's use the same examples that we had for lstrip. So we had previously this example for lstrip where we had the characters on both sides of the string. So we had X on both sides of the string. In lstrip, this letters on the left got trimmed. Right now, in rstrip, you will see letters. Oh, I need to change the syntax. Okay. So in rstrip, you will find the letters on the right hand side or at the end of the string has got stripped. Whereas on the left, at the beginning of the string, it is as it is. Yeah. Now again, if you do not mention any kind of letters, then and if you have space, then you will use the same example that we had earlier so that we can compare between each other. That's why I'm using the same example so that you can compare the difference between the two type of R string. And I'll specify XXX here instead of so I'll have spaces here on the right side. Yeah. Let's see what it does. Let's run this. See this on the right hand side, it has removed all the spaces that we had earlier. Yeah. So it has removed all the spaces. So what it does is, so if no parameters are passed to the rstrip method, the output will be returned as the original string with trailing spaces removed. So the output will be returned as the same as the as what we had in the input, but with the trailing spaces removed. Okay, if you do not specify any thing. Lastly, there was an example where we said that if we had a smaller character at the end of the string, where we had previously and another letter with at the start of the string as we had for L string. So let's see if we have E at the end of the string. Yes. So I'll specify E. Yeah. Yes. And I'll specify X here. Yeah. And I have to remove capital E from our side. But if you see here, after capital E, there is a small e. It will not trim this one. Yeah. So let's see. Only the letter as a start of the string will be at the ending of the string will be stripped unless it finds some other letter. Yeah, so let's see whether it is able to strip down the capital E's from this. Yeah, but it is not trimming the smaller e because it is a different character as what we have specified in the optional parameter. So this is how rstrip works. In the next video, we will see a more simpler method, which is strip, wherein we do not need to mention whether I want to strip it from the left or right. It will straight away strip the unwanted characters. Yeah. So let's meet in the next video.